Always back. We're back on another adventure, okay? Always. Let's do this. So first off, let's talk about the chickens. Okay, y'all know I don't do birds. To mention something about the upcoming potential Great Assault Giga to Knott's, has it it'll be in this location. I hope it's true, and I don't want to discount anything, but it's one of those things where it's like, I don't want this to be fake. I don't want it to be fake. I feel like they have the budget to do it, and I also feel like it would be perfect for this area as well. As being a SoCal native, this is just something that'll be like great for the parks here in SoCal. So fingers crossed. Pony Express was dope. Oh, that was such a rush. On to the next one. All right, so you just got off of Pony Express.
I had tears falling down.
Tears? I'm just loving the park experience right now. How you feeling?
Are you?
Yep.
Are you?
Yep.
I'm about to eat these fries.
I'm about to get him on a roller coaster, y'all.
I know he's not.
Yes, I am. So the only thing I will say is that Knott's has to put more vegetarian options in the park that are amazing for just, you know, regular day-to-day guests, not associated with an event. Elote fries, okay. Look at that. Look how amazing those look. All right, y'all, so we just ate, had our food. Now time to ride some rides. Y'all, I had to do it with the Chili Mac, okay? So that was my first time on Hang Time in a while. It's running well. I can't even lie. I enjoyed my ride on Hang Time, but hey, on to the next. Teddy totally won. It's okay. I'll win next time. You were so serious. All know I'm here for the themed attractions here at Knott's Berry Farm, and this is just something that you just don't get at other parks. So right now, as you can see, we're chilling here at Knott's Berry Farm, and I can't wait to get on the Calico Ride. It's been a minute since I've done this. So, let's go. Up with the coasters here today, like they are hidden smooth. Oh, that may have been like the best ride I got on Silver Bullet. I sat front row, positive G's to my feet. Never the Helix. More to come. Sierra Sidewinder is honestly like definitely like one of my faves here. That was great. And on to like the last one of the night. So y'all, I wanted Teddy Martin to get on today. I want him to get on Ghost Rider. It's not gonna happen. What?
I'm not getting on the ride.
All right, guys. So I just got off a Ghost Rider. That was amazing. As always, everything is running so smooth here at Knott's Berry Farm today. But you know what? This is my favorite part about Knott's Berry Farm. Follow me. But yes, my favorite part of Knott's Berry Farm is the Boysenberry Farm. You guys definitely have to try this one next time you visit Knott's Berry Farm. You'll thank me later. All right, guys, Mr. King Coaster out. I'm gonna enjoy this boysenberry pie, okay?